Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to sit down and film a tutorial for you guys. I'm not sure exactly what I'm doing with my eyes right now, but I do know that I want to use the Kathleen Lights ColourPop eyeshadow palette, the Dream Street. Honestly, I really don't know what I want to do. I'm just gonna dive in and see what I come up with. So let's just get started with the tutorial. Primer today, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible. It's a mattifying base primer. Next, what I'm going to apply, First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Illuminating Moisturizer. It hydrates, illuminates, and brightens the skin. Little brush thing on here. And it has like a gold, it's like gold shimmery. So I want like a glowy, oh that's a lot, oh no. Yeah, it has like gold shimmer. So I kind of want like a gold base or a shimmery base. And this is my first time trying this one. So let's see how it turns out. Super glowy now. Okay, now for foundation, brought a bunch of them out because I wasn't sure which one I wanted to use. I'm going to use the CoverGirl Elixir. So I'm going to put 2 pumps of that. And then, I guess, looks like it's like 2 pumps. And I'm going to use the same Real Techniques brush to mix this. Gross, it looks super, oh my gosh, why do I always do this? Always, never fails to get it all over myself. Foundation all over my shirt. Yep, that's me every time. And I'm going to be using another Real Techniques tool. This is the triangle sponge, or the diamond. Apply the rest of it. I do kind of want a fuller coverage. So I don't have a filming studio right now anymore. So I've been filming in my room, or in our room. But today I'm filming in the kitchen on the dining table, and I decided to turn on the dishwasher machine, so that's going off. So I'm going to pick up the rest of the foundation on my hand, continue to build that. So even though I'm doing more of a full coverage for foundation, the gold illuminator is still peeking through on my face, so I feel like it gives it like a little glow to the skin. I like it. Alright, let's move on. For concealer, use this ColourPop concealer. Light 20. ColourPop No Filter Concealer. And it does dry up pretty quick, and the color turns dark too. So if you feel like it's too light for you, not. It's probably like the right color. Okay, next I'm going to set my concealer. Today I'm going to use the Urban Decay Naked Skin Shape Shifter. And this one's in the color medium dark shift. Use the yellow color to highlight, mostly to hide those dark circles. And I'm actually going to mix it with my CoverGirl Clean powder in the color Buff Beige. So I'm going to mix those 2 powders. I'm going to press it into the skin. Okay, now I'm going to contour with my Hoola Benefit Bronzer. I'm going to use this e.l.f. pointed powder brush. Try this again. Now I'm going to use the e.l.f. Angled Contour Brush to contour my nose. And now I'm going to grab this Firma 202 brush. I believe I got it in my Ipsy bag. And I'm going to go back into the Naked Shapeshifter palette in that yellow color, and I'm going to use that for the bridge of my nose. So I'm going to try using this Lumi True Match Liquid Glow Illuminator, and it's like a gold color, really pretty like JLo color. Applied with the Real Techniques sponge. Yeah, oh, it's so pretty. I'm going to apply some blush, and I'm going to be using this Milani blush and Blossom Time Rose. To apply my blush, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. brush. I'm not sure which one it is. It doesn't say it, but it's kind of a small domey brush. I usually use it to contour as well because it's more dense, but today I'm going to use it for blush. Oh wow, the mixture of this and the L'Oreal Illuminator. Oh, so I'm going to be using this Morphe Setting Mist. I love how misty it sprays on your skin, and it feels like it goes everywhere. And it really truly feels like it sets my foundation, all my powders really well. We're going to be using this palette. How's that? Okay, to set my lids, because it didn't seem like they got set with my other powders, I'm going to use Stardust for all over my lid. I'm going to grab, what color is this? Elfish, which is this color right here for under the brow bone. Using the Stardust color, which is this color right here. And I'm actually going to apply that right underneath as well. It just has like this really pretty muted coral pastel-y color. Now I'm going to go into color Sweet Dreams. Softly apply it, kind of feather it on the outer corner, and then feather it in, just blowing out the color on the left side. Again on the lower lash line, focusing most of the color pigment on the outer edges. Adding a little bit more color to the outer corners. And I'm also bringing it up above the crease. Okay, and then for the last step, I'm going to grab Spark and put it on my inner corners, and I use my finger first. Ooh, it looks like a little, like a sunset. Alright, I'm really liking how this is turning out. I think we're done with the eyeshadows. Now, in my waterline, I'm going to apply a cream eyeliner to open up the eyes. I'm going to move on to my eyebrows. I actually do this step after I do my setting spray, so I'm going to do one more spray just because it seems like I'm creasing already, and I think it's because of the Urban Decay powder, not the CoverGirl powder, because I actually used this powder to set my face on my wedding day. So I know this is a really good powder and it doesn't make me crease. That my eyebrows are kind of wet a little bit from the setting spray, I like to run my spoolie, is it a spoolie? Yeah. My brush to clean them out from the foundation. In the Anastasia Beverly Hills in powder in the dark brown. Alright, that's eyebrows. Then I go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills clear brow gel. I set them in place. And now I'm going to apply my favorite mascara, the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Oh god, what the heck? Oh, clumpy. I think I need a new one. Eek. I usually curl my lashes, but I don't have my curler with me. Mascara is not doing good. What? So these are my wispies. So hopefully it looks the same, but my battery died on my other camera. I cut them so short. Oh my god. Dude, this lash right here. Well, that's gonna have to do. I think I'm gonna apply more blush. Milani. I feel really summery in this look. I think that's a good thing. I'm going to apply some eyeliner, tight line, just to help blend the lashes in so it doesn't look so piecey. Now for the last part, lipstick. So I'm going to try to match my eyes to my lips, and I think I'm going to do a mixture of a couple of them. I don't want to use this Dose of Colors, but it looks really bright. So what I'm going to do is mix on the back of my hand. And this one is in the color, I think it's Fuego, Dose of Colors, Desi X Katie collection. And then I'm going to use this Kat Von D in the color Noble. Oh shit. So a little bit of this Maybelline Infallible. This like nude color. It's like one of my favorite nudes. I really like this formula. It's in that color. So I have a mixture of these three colors. I'm going to use this ColourPop brush, and I'm pretty sure it's a concealer brush. Mix all those three colors. It's pretty good. Does it match my eyes? Yes, it does. It's pretty good. So I think we're done. Alright you guys, so I think we're done with this makeup look, makeup tutorial. Yeah, it's kind of like a springy, summery look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I think it came out okay.